That felt good. Oh, hello. I am Markov Yuri, the wife of the Darker Lord and the mother of baby Alana and Lauren. Today, I will talk about the pooting sound effect from Visa. It's from a video called Visa Takes a Poot Vertical Bracket Catch a Poot. It was played 3 months ago on August 29th. The duration of the sound effect is 0:37 to 1:01. The stomach growling sound effect will be removed at the end. Now I will show you the sound effect. It sounds like this. See, that's how the pooping sound effect from Visa sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in. I need to test Kaz's pooping sound effect. Ugh. Ow. Hi, that feels so much better. Remember kids, don't forget to use or test Kaz's farting sound effect when you need to go to the bathroom. It starts at 0:31 and ends at 1:01. Make sure you remove the diarrhea sound effect at the beginning and end. Next, I will talk about the alternate farting sound effect from its non-ecstasy.